Hi, I'm Emily with Berger Chevrolet, and I just bought this 2021 Silverado 1500, and I'm here today to show you how to install some awesome accessories. So the first accessory we're going to install is the bed mat. As you can see, the mat fits the shape of your bed perfectly, allowing best possible protection. And it's made of a non-skid material, which allows for less cargo shifting. The next accessory we're going to look at is the floor mats. Your vehicle will come equipped with floor mats, but we're going to upgrade them to Chevrolet's all-weather floor mats. The Chevrolet all-weather floor mats not only protect your truck's floor from dirt, spills, and snowy boots, but they also have different textures and patterns, giving you better foot traction. And now we've saved the best for last. Next, we're going to install a tonneau cover. This accessories upgrade is pretty common because it helps keep your cargo safe and secure. This style of tonneau cover rolls up and down to keep your truck bed accessible anytime you want. Thanks for watching us install these accessories on the 2021 Chevy Silverado. When you're ready to upgrade your vehicle, shop online at bergerchevy.com.